Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your VW GTI key fob. First, gather a few simple tools to begin this quick process. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver or a coin ready, as these will help you gently open the key fob casing. A clean, well-lit area is also helpful to keep track of all components. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually found on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the physical key blade, then pull it out completely. Next, insert your small flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam where the two halves of the fob meet. Gently twist or pry to separate the casing, being careful not to damage the plastic clips. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Using your small screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 coin cell battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Next, slide the physical key blade back into its slot until it clicks. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm the new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.